tanong ko lang, may
Yes, po.
curfew ka ba? Yung mga uwi-uwi sa
Wala
bahay?
po. Actually, kasi dati, ferry po yung sinasakay namin. We live in an island before.
Yes, okay.
So, it's by the ferry. Yung kung anong maaabutan namin na time slot ng ferry,
Yun yung
yun po.
sinasakay niya na
Pero
pauwi.
basta go straight home. Yun po yung rules namin.
Wala
Yung
nang
walang
gimmick-gimmick.
tambay. Yes
Oo,
po.
wala nang gimmick-gimmick.
Yes.
Kaya
So,
kaya ko orasan yung uwi niya eh. Kasi alam ko yung bus.
Alam niya
Diba
yun.
sa Hong
Yeah,
Kong, very
yung
precise.
time.
Hong Kong
oo.
is very-
May
opo.
schedule, oo.
Ito gusto ko i-follow up,
Okay.
Ann. Nung kinabi ko na, nasabi mo sa kanya na about dun sa boyfriend, eto na. Sinabi mo sa kanya yun, pero nalaman mo na nagkaroon ng boyfriend. Ano yung naramdaman mo that time at paano mo na in-approach yun?
Okay lang, Daddy.
Marami pang time.
Marami pa. Pwede pa. Pwede
Gets
natin.
ko yan.
Tsaka may score po yan. Pag
Gets ko
niiyak.
yan.
Hindi po, nung nalaman namin, na-prove namin na, uy, meron
Hindi,
na
may
to.
boyfriend na nga.
Mamaya, nakita ni Mrs. Akala niya, tulog na ako ulit. Ikaw kasi. No, but at first, parang sabi ko, ay, baby lang siya before. Now,
No, may...
may karibal na ako.
Oh.
But dumating yung realization that this is it. That, ito na pala yung like border na, oops, dadalaga na. Kailangan
Next
ng...
chapter na siya.
Oh, so kaya talaga pag pinag-igihan ko pa yung pag-aaral niya ng Muay Thai para kailangan wala
Tinuruan pa ng
Muay
Muay Thai.
Opo, we do Muay Thai.
para lalo siyang direct same time I cannot always be there with her.
Yeah.
And yun nga pag nasa school meron pa lang mga ganyang MU so it's like okay.
Pero daddy,
Kasi yung Muay Thai na tinuro niya, naging Muay Thai.
Muay Thai, si Thai. Oh, Muay Thai.
Daddy
Pero di ba
Paolo-
mahirap
Sorry,
yun,
go.
Daddy Paolo, na andito kayo sa stage na ikaw na ang pipili na kung sino yung magugustuhan ni Gia.
Well, yeah po. Tutulog lang po ako. But basically, siya rin naman po ang magde-decide. Yeah. And that's why I'm here now because I know she's mature enough. So, it's open. Like what I said, I'm true to my word. Pag wala ka na sa study time, you're 22 and go.
You're free.
Yes.
Ika
Daddy-
nga. So, Gia, diba nakita natin how much your dad loves you and I'm
And
sure
trust-
your mom also.
Tsaka trusts her.
And trusts her.
Oh, yeah.
So, when they spoke to you about it, kinausap ka na nila na parang hindi talaga pwede to. Anong ginawa mo, Gia? Paano mo tinapos?
Well, grabe, it took 5 years for me to really end it talaga. Nagkaroon ako ng conviction na, ay, nagsisinungaling ako sa parents ko for how long. And then, sumabay na rin yung, I know where I want to go, career-wise. So, dun ko na inend. It wasn't the easiest end kasi nga po, for me, parang, bakit, kumbaga sa side niya, bakit ang bilis sa'yo? Anong parang, wow, this is 5 years, di ba po? Pero for me kasi, mas mabigat yung sinaktan ko sila mom and dad.
No,
Pero
yung
paano
good
yun,
kid.
Gia? Hindi ba siya naghabol sa'yo, yung guy, na bakit
Yeah,
para
there was,
makikipag-break ka na sa kanya?
opo, there was negotiations. Kasi yung paghiwalay din po namin dahil lumipad na ako sa Pilipinas, kasi dito na po ako magano. We ended with a phone call. I said, sige, closure, you want closure? Sure, pwede tayo mag-phone call pero my parents will be with me this time.
Wow.
Para alam niya na legit din na, okay, this is
It's
for
the
real.
It's the real reason.
It's the real,
It's not just
yeah.
because ayaw mo. It's
Opo.
because you're going to be a good daughter
Yes
and follow your parents.
Yes po.
Halimbawa ngayon, napanood ka niya, nalaman niya single ka pa, tapos umuwi siya dito, parang, di ba?
Okay ba
Tanungin
sa'yo,
ka niya.
Daddy? Parang nag-iba yung face ni Daddy Pauli. Parang,
Teka lang, parang tanungin ka niya na, pwede ba akong...
May sorpresa ka ba, bro? Wala. Kala ko may sorpresa.
Halimbawa lang, nasabi ko lang, halimbawa lang.
Ano lang, oh. Tanong lang.
Tanong lang.
Well, for me, as of now, as Gia now, the chapter has been closed.
Oh.
Yes. Not dahil no prejudice against this person. He's a great person, good looking. Hope he's doing the best. But that's life. We grow out of people around us din po. Not everybody stays forever.
So, nung huling conversation na yun, never pa kayo nagkita?
Never.
Galing ba eh? Di ba usually ang mga anak talagang minsan may tendency na hindi, ipaglalaban ko ang pagmamahal ko.
Nagre-rebelde.
Okay, ganun eh. Di ba nagre-rebelde? Parang you and me against the world.
Pero siya,
Pero si Gia.
may pinaglaban naman siya yung mga magulang niya.
Yeah.
Galing.
Pinili niya ang parents.
Yes,
niya.
this time.
Bakit mas pinili mo na sundin yung parents mo?
In the end of the day, kasi yes.
Mga
they're-
ano yan,
they're
mga
strict
11:59, mga gano'n.
In the end of the day, mga 11:58, ganun po. 11:58. First, nakita ko talaga yung bigger picture. They really had a point. Like, that's the thing po with in life, experience is the best teacher, but I think it's smarter to learn from others' experience. So, for me, I chose to experience it on my own, and I realized, you know what, Mom and Dad, you're right. Tama po kayo. And so, they're always with me in the end of the day. Sila yung backbone ko. So, I chose them.
Galing.
Yeah.
Kahanga-hanga
Ang
ka.
galing. And alam mo,
Kayong dalawa, actually.
at the end of the day, tama nga si Daddy Paolo, he kept his word. He's here,
Amen.
right beside her,
Yeah.
supporting her
Correct.
to meet new people.